Welcome to Learn in English. Tugiye gukomeza n'ikiganiro cyacu uburyo waganira n'umuntu utazi kinyarwanda. Do you know what thing it is? Do you know what this thing it is? Uzi icyo ari cyo? Icyo uzi icyo ari cyo? No, I don't. No, I don't. Oya, ntabwo nkizi. Is it going to be sun today? Is it going to be sun today? Uyu munsi haraza kuva izuba? Uyu munsi haraza kuva izuba? No, the forecast say it is going to be rain. No, the forecast say it is going to be rain. Iteganyagihe rivuga ko imvura iraza kugwa. Is it going to rain today? Is it going to rain today? Uyu munsi imvura iraza kugwa? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Oya, siko mbitekereza. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Wambaye iki? Wambaye iki? I'm wearing a hat. I'm wearing a hat. I'm wearing a hat. Nambaye ingofero. Who is that? Who is that? Uriya ninde? Iyo ari kure turavuga ngo who is that? Tukaba twegerana tukavuga ngo who is this? Noneho twagusubiza tukavuga ngo that is a John. That is a John. Twabajije ngo who is that? Uriya ninde? Noneho tugiye gusubiza ngo that is John. Ni John. Ni Yohani. How is her? How is he? How is he? Ameze ate? Ameze ate? He's great. He's great. Ameze neza. He's great. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Ufite ubwoba? No, I'm not afraid of anything. No, I'm not afraid of anything. Oya, nta na kimwe kinteye ubwoba. Are you ready? Are you ready? Uriteguye? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yego, nditeguye. Where do you live? Where do you live? Utuye he? Where do you live? I live in Rwamagana. I live in Rwamagana. Ntuye Rwamagana. What your address? What your address? Address yawe ni iyihe? It's near district of Nyarugenge. It's near district of Nyarugenge. Ni hafi y'akarere ka Nyarugenge. Are you busy? Are you busy? Urahuze? At the moment I am not. At the moment I am not. Nonaha ntabwo mpuze. Does this taste good? Does this taste good? Does this taste good? Iki kiraryoshye? No, it doesn't taste good. No, it doesn't taste good. Ntabwo kiryoshye. Ndabashimiye kubw'igihe. Imana ibarinde, ndabakunda cyane. Kora share, subscribe na like, hanyuma twikomereze.